Hey guys, we're going to go really quick now, but because it's only 44 seconds. We have tried, well, we didn't try that because we've had it before. This one, because it's a new one. Disease stuff.
Yep.
This kind of sauce, which is horrible, and we've got to try this popcorn Tic Tacs.
I'm really excited for this one. We're really excited.
Just grab one quick.
Right. Oh my god. I'm going to grab
one quick.
Right.
I'm getting two.
1, 2, 3. Well, let's look at them what you're in them.
Tastes just like popcorn. Bye guys, love you. See Kim. Cheers from my skull.
That is lovely.
Bye.
I love you.